going on? What's going on? What's going on? Ken with Bitcoin Crazy channel on YouTube. And as always, we're coming to you to talk about Bitcoin everything, whether it's, all the topics of the day, what's hot, what hot stocks, what airdrops are going to be taking place, soft, hard forks that are taking place, new websites that are out there, all free sites for coin collection. You name it, we're going to talk about it here at Bitcoin Crazy channel on YouTube. Hey guys, as always, click the little green button on the right-hand corner to subscribe. Love this, everybody that's subscribing over here. That's the only way you're going to get updates. I'm sorry I haven't been posting any new sites lately or any new news. It's just been super busy. But hey guys, today we're going to talk about space mining. And I'm seeing a lot of reviews on this site right now, and it's pretty cool. But I would put this note in there that it is brand new. From what I'm seeing out there in other videos, people are making withdrawals to their different accounts out there. So it is paying right now, but it's only been around for about 8 days. They're giving you 100 gigahertz or gigahash of mining power right now, hashing power. So go ahead and take advantage of that. Just go ahead and click the link down in the description, and that's going to take you right into this plan, and you can go ahead and start receiving free Bitcoin. As you can see, I just signed up minutes ago, and I've got 21 Satoshi of Bitcoin, well, 22 now. So I haven't made a withdrawal, and I haven't invested any money in this just yet, but I have seen other folks put money in, and I have seen other folks go ahead and do those transactions and confirm those transactions for withdrawal. So, I mean, I think if it's raining, you might as well make hay. So if you want to go ahead and try the minimum pricing plan, you can. You just click on pricing plan, and I think it's only a few to go ahead and take advantage of this pricing plan. As you can see right here, the minimum investment is 0.0015 of a Bitcoin. So it's not too bad to try that out. I'm probably going to go ahead and do that myself and go for that. They can go ahead and do some calculations here on what to expect as far as payout. Earnings per 2 days, they're saying 0.003. Now, you can kick that up as well. Now, you got to take into account, I don't always take this for certain as far as what it's going to pay out, because you don't know what the difficulty rate is of Bitcoin mining from day to day, because that moves. So this is just kind of an average maybe of what is happening today, but you can't keep this. Don't put this in as a certainty. But as far as it goes, it's one of those free sites right now that you can go and get your 100 gigahash right now and get your free monies that way. So, without an investment, you can go ahead and do this. Now, to do a withdrawal, you have to have a minimum balance in here to do a withdrawal. And we click on payouts, and we'll see what that minimum is. Once again, guys, it's free. And you can also go ahead and market this with your affiliate code, just like I'm doing. But your minimum withdrawal right here, minimum withdrawal is 0.00025. So you have to have at least that in there to do that, to get that going. So, like I said, is it a risk? I don't know. I've seen some other things like Aurora Mining. Now, while you could make some withdrawals on Aurora Mining, but then it disappeared. And this may do the same thing. It may be too good to be true, but right now, you might as well jump in and get some of this action while it's free, and they are paying. So I want to just say, only invest money that you're willing to lose. So if it's 10, 15 bucks, whatever, not a big deal. You lose it. But the upside is that you can make some money and get your money back pretty quick while it is paying out. So guys, just be cautious with your money. Only you invest what you can lose, and that's safe to say with Bitcoin as a whole. But guys, this is something that I'm doing right now. I'm taking advantage of the free hash rate of this 100 right here. As you saw, it was 21 when I first started. Now it's at 24. But might as well take advantage of something free. But don't go investing a lot of money in this unless you have that money to risk. But I'll give another update on this when I make my first withdrawal and tell you how it's going. All right, guys. Once again, the link, my referral link, is down in the discussion down there, and go ahead and click on the link. And let's see how you guys do and what you think. Give me some feedback. And once again, have fun with it. Spacemining.io. Spacemining.io. Once again, this is Ken, Bitcoin Crazy channel. Have a great day.